Hey, welcome back to the community. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and setup tutorial of this bad boy right here, the Elgato HD60 capture card. I'm going to go step by step in the tutorial to show you how to set it up just right so you can capture all your great gaming moments in 1080p resolution. But before we get started, hit that like and subscribe button so you get notified every time that I upload another unboxing or gameplay video. It's just a world of fun. Let's get started. Alright everyone, let's get into this. So the Elgato HD capture card does require a Windows 10, Intel or NVIDIA GeForce GTX 600 or better, an Intel at least i5 or better, and you do have to have a USB 3.0 for it to work. It will not work without USB 3.0. You can use it for PS4, PS4 Pro, Xbox One and Xbox One S, Nintendo Switch. You can also use it for Xbox One X and the new Xbox Series X. Excuse me, the Xbox Series X and the Xbox Series S. It will just only output to 1080p. See if we can get it out of the box here. There we go. It says you can also stream from that. We're going to find out. I am going to try to stream directly from this without using any type of software, Streamlabs or OBS or anything like that. So this is the capture card itself. Very small, thin, lightweight. It's got an HDMI out port here. HDMI in port right here. It's got the audio jack right here for in, and the USB-C power plug port. It comes with this little book in 400 different languages in case you need help. So in order to set it up, there's actually guides and all, or actually instructions right here on the inside of the cover. So it comes with an Elgato logo sticker here that you can, put on something if you wish. I've been wanting to get one of these because when I stream from the PlayStation, it only streams in 720p. So I wanted to be able to record better gameplay video and all in at least 1080p. So it comes with one HDMI cable, and one USB-C cable. I said earlier that it was a power cable, but it is. I mean, it's going to be powered by your computer. Get it all unwrapped here. So this HDMI cable, it's about standard length. It's the shorter one. I'm not much on the shorter cables, but sometimes depending on what you're doing, how close everything's going to be. But we'll see. I may have to move another TV or just a small TV, or use my extra monitor right here. That's probably what I'll do. Alright, so step one, plug the USB-C port in and plug it to your laptop, which is right here. Then step two, you're going to plug the HDMI in from your Xbox One or your PlayStation or whatever you happen to have, or Nintendo, into the in right here. And then you're going to take the other HDMI out to your TV and plug it in to this side. And then we will have to download the software to get everything set up. So I'll be right back with you. We're going to switch back to the computer so I can show you the software and how to install it, and then we'll go from there. Be right back. Alright everyone, we're here at the computer. So if you type in elgato.com downloads or /gaming downloads, it'll take you to this screen. Want to select our product, which was the HD Captor S, Windows or Mac, whichever one you're using, and I hit show all. They have the 4K capture utility driver here. You can only capture 4K video with this. You cannot stream from it. So if you don't want to, that's cool. We're going to be using the game capture here. This allows you to capture your game and to stream from it. So I've already downloaded it. We have it open. Open it for you here. Okay, so your device is going to be right here. It may select a different device. It may select Xbox. It may select PlayStation automatically for you. And if not, you can go to the little gear setting right here and you can actually change it. Why mine says Xbox Series X, I don't know. But it picks up my PlayStation. I am using the PlayStation. So we want to come over here to live streaming. If you're going to go live, hit the add account button. You can add account. You can Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Restream, Dailymotion, stuff of that nature. After you get all logged in, you know, Twitch, we're going to use my Twitch account. It'll tell me to, you know, authenticate and allow HD capture device. So go ahead and turn that on. Also, so then after you get that done, come back to advanced section. Select the server. Now Elgato recommends that you select a server auto instead of letting it do auto with the lowest latency. But for some reason, as you can see here, even if I pull the menu all the way down, this is a Twitch server that I'm going to be selecting. I haven't tried it on YouTube yet. When I select server, as you can see, the server list is incomplete and it does not let me scroll. I do not know why. I've tried to research it and I cannot get an answer for that. If you know, just let me know in the comments below. So we're going to open this back up. You have the game audio section here. So under live streaming also, you can select your megabits per second. You know, so the higher the better, you know, for 1080p. But you also have to be aware of your upload speed. We have the game audio that we can adjust here. Live commentary, and it may or may not pick up your microphone. You can just select it. So you may notice that, hey, you know, even though the live commentary, I've got my device selected, I don't see any sound. That's because you have to come down here to where it says commentary and hit the commentary button to start the live commentary, then it'll pick it up. Like so. So see the bar's moving now, so we'll turn it back off. So you can come down here. This is Elgato sound capture that I've got. It's just part for my PC stuff. So we can come down here and, you know, create our own title. Let's see, testing Elgato capture card. You can select, you know, the game. Right now we just have one. I just have a random one pulled up on my PlayStation. We'll just do Days Gone. That's just, you know, this is the one I pulled up. Testing Elgato game card. Would help if I spelled it right. So as you're doing your tags, just make sure after you type it in, whatever the case may be, that you hit comma right beside it so it'll take it. Okay, so you also have another option here. You can just record. Start recording, and then we can start streaming. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll just throw another tag in here real quick. We're gonna go ahead and start streaming, and turn the commentary on. So I got my commentary on, as you can see, and let's get to streaming. So we're now on air. It lights up. So if you pause for a moment and don't move the mouse, everything will go away, and now you can see just your game. So we are now streaming. I'm gonna pull up my Twitch stream real quick on my computer to make sure that it actually is streaming. I don't know why I did that. I have the app. Alright, so as you can see on the screen that I'm on, it's gonna say on air because I'm recording it from this, and when I moved the mouse it brought up the menu. But on the Twitch, and we'll pull Twitch over here real quick, as you can see, any of that I've done, it has not brought it up. So it does not show those things, you know, when you're streaming. So let's give it a try real quick, shall we? Alright, so here we are in our game. Let's see if we can run around. And let's just hop on our motorcycle real quick. I keep forgetting you have to hold the button down. Watch out, everybody in the camp. Watch out, watch out. Just kind of riding around here to see, test out the lag. It looks good. There's a, you know, a little bit of delay, but it does look good. And there we go, folks. Streaming straight from the Elgato HD60S capture card itself. It can be done. You do not have to have OBS or anything like that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Check out some other unboxings right here for you. Have a great night.